Understanding wading in slowly in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, wading in slowly. This phrase is not just about literal movement in water, but it carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning in English. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Wading in slowly is an idiomatic expression in English. To understand it, let's break it down. Wading. This means to walk through water or another substance that impedes movement. Imagine walking in a shallow pool. Your movement is slower and more deliberate. Slowly. This adverb suggests a gradual, unhurried pace. When combined, wading in slowly metaphorically means to approach a situation or a task cautiously and gradually, without rushing into it. It's often used in scenarios where someone is new to a situation or is unsure and hence proceeds with care. To help you understand better, here are some examples. 1. Starting a new job. 2. When I joined the company, I was wading in slowly, taking time to understand the culture and the work processes. 3. Learning a new skill. 4. She's wading in slowly with her piano lessons, starting with the basics before moving to more complex pieces. 5. Adjusting to a new environment. 6. After moving to a new city, he decided to wade in slowly, gradually getting to know the neighborhood and making new friends. In each of these examples, the phrase highlights a careful, measured approach to new experiences or challenges. Understanding and using phrases like wading in slowly can enhance your communication. It allows you to express a complex idea succinctly and effectively. Improve your understanding of English culture. Such idiomatic expressions are deeply rooted in culture and everyday communication. Make learning English enjoyable. Idioms add color to the language and can be fun to learn and use. Wading in slowly is a beautiful, descriptive phrase in English that conveys the idea of approaching something with caution and gradual progress. It's a great addition to your English vocabulary, especially in situations where you're embarking on something new or unfamiliar. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and remember, sometimes it's best to wade in slowly in your language learning journey too.